terlalu jauh. It is too far. I couldn't get to the. Come here, baby.
Enak dagingnya tuh.
Iya kah?
Merah.
Itu bukannya yang kurus gitu kah? Kodes pernah nimpuk dia pas minum kan, dapat satu dia.
Cuma ada dibawanya ke pondok dibuang.
Dibuang dia, nggak, katanya nggak ada yang mau makan kan?
Di mana?
Itu di Pondok Hujan deket itu. Shit, I got it.
Orang tahu.
Hi, so pretty.
Kan dia kodes main.
Iya, kita bertiga mupuk apa? Borats kan?
Enggak, itu lagi apa dia?
So now we do what's the name? Circle weeding, but seems like mine is already clean all the way back. And then it turned out this morning we were in the boat and the operator, we call him, was like, keep Hendra, you have to move like that. Nobody names Hendra in that boat. So after we stopped, I realized that person used to call me Hendra in the past. My name is Andika, or people call me Andy. So once we stopped and I realized that it was me that he was talking, because the boat is like half. There's two lines of seating, so it's like the other half is too heavy. So my lines was too light, so I have to move to the other side. So he was like, oh, so that's me who is Hendra. I have a new name. That's the bird. Yeah, I see. Yeah, I don't know where is it going. Hey.
Belok kiri kah?
Ya. Belok kiri, belok lagi kanan, belok kanan.
It's so fun. Mas, ketinting rusak. So I am on the edge of the plantation. You can see there's a forest that's called nipah trees. Normally it's already close to the water, and I don't know what this tree, but this look very nice. Okay, so yeah, so I'm exploring the edge of this plantation. You can see. Oh, let me take off my hat. I look so messy. Anyway, so yeah, this is around, as you can see. And okay, nipah tree. I'm gonna go to that end of the nipah trees area, because they say there is like a kampah. I don't know what is that, how it look like, but it look like clams, like you know, it's like an oyster kind of thing. Okay, let's check. So I since the beginning I got here. I really want to eat this fruit actually. This from the nipa, from that kind of tree that look like a palm. Already cut down because it's going to be the plantation later in the future. So this is the fruit that I want to eat, but I don't know. This is the fruit from the tree. They say that this tastes like nuts. I know, I love nuts. So, but I don't know. It's so hard. I can't find anything that I can just break off. So, too bad. But yeah, maybe one day I can taste it. So yeah. Hey, what is this? So I think this is the kappa that they are talking about. Oh, this is like a clam. Can it be real thing? So this is the one that they've been talking about. There's a lot of this, I don't know, sea creature. Look at this. You can hear the voice, the sounds from the sound from the what? From the tree. There's a giant mudskipper you can see. See? Although it's on the it's a big though. So I think this is a step of a pour, wild pour, or see, like two, like V. I think it's wild pour. Okay, we need more gas. House is emptied. Actually, it's very close because of one block away, but we're just too lazy.